Hi everybody, welcome to Japanese Cooking Lovers. I am Yuri. Today I will show you how to make sweet soybean and konbu. Actually, I have same or similar video already, but why I am making this one because I made miso and I have leftover cooked soy, and this is very easy and quickly use leftover soy to make new dish, and it is really easy, and this is a popular food in Japan. It's sweet and everybody like it, even like when I was elementary or the junior high school lunch, they serve this dish and everybody like it. So I will show you how to make it today. In this video, I am using the leftover soybeans when I cook it for making miso. So I have juice left over. You can use canned soybeans, but I don't recommend it because canned soybean juice usually has too much sodium. So I prefer you to cook soybeans for this dish. But I found one brand canned soybeans that's no salt added, so that I will put on my channel below. However, those are black soybeans. When I was searching to buy konbu in Amazon, people comment about that white stuff over the konbu. Someone said those are salt, and some said mold or dirt. Those are not mold nor the salt. Yes, probably part of the sodium, but more likely those are the umami. So it is safe to eat. I just want you to know that. So this is how to make sweet soy and konbu. If you like my video, please thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube video. I really appreciate. And this is Japanese Cooking Lovers, and I am Yuri. Thanks for watching and see you next time.